Okay, we're back to Princess. We have removed and replaced one cylinder head on the starting engine for the third time. And we have checked and rechecked the valves in the cylinders, and we can pinch a dollar bill between any of those valves at any angle. So they're closing. So it started raining about 40 minutes ago, so we pulled the pin and went and had lunch. But now I have to replace the cylinder head on this side of the starting engine. And I can notice, and you can see, that the bottom of that cylinder is scored pretty bad. So we're definitely losing some compression there. But we've rechecked these valves again. I smeared a little gear oil in for that the woozy top ring, which may hold a little compression long enough to make it fire a couple of times. I don't know. But we are just about ready to throw in the towel on this old girl. Hate to do it, but if we can't get any compression out of that starting engine, there's no way we're ever going to get this thing to run. We also drained about 3 gallons of water and about 3 gallons of oil out of the thing because the crankcase was way over full. So we're going to see what we're at, and we will go from there. Bye.